Welcome back to Rejected Content.
Last year we filmed a video called Stock versus Build where we compared two Trailmaster NV200s, one stock, one build. Today we're here to do that again, but this time with three Mega Motos.
We got three bikes here that represent three different tiers of Mega Moto 212. We have my brand new bike, this Coleman B200, which is fully stock with a clone 196cc engine and is governed, completely bone stock. We then have Satara's Mega Moto, which is nicknamed Baja. It is the same clone 196cc engine, however it is ungoverned with a slider carb, the cam out of a stock Tillotson 212, 18-pound valve springs, an Amazon billet rod, and a reinforced cast flywheel. That is a $300 build, and for the ultimate balls-to-the-wall performance, we have Owen's bike, Mama's Boy. It has a Tillotson 212, fully ungoverned, once again a slider carb, this time a nibby. It has a Hot 265 cam from Go Power Sports, 22-pound valve springs, an arc billet flywheel and rod combo, and a Juggernaut front pulley for those extra revs. That is around a $750 build. So today, if you notice, it is a beautiful, snowy January day. So this is going to be an interesting test. Which one of these bikes can perform at the highest level? And which one is the best bang for your buck?
Rejected content.
Alright, first test. These bikes may be built and this one may be stock, but there's some reliability concerns. So we're going to see who can get their bike to cold start first.
Number 1, the Coleman.
Okay, we got it in. Fuel on, choke set to choke, switch on, first pull. Okay.
Okay, two pulls.
Two pulls.
Number 2, the Baja.
Two pulls.
It would have gone on the first without joke.
Bike 3, Mama's Boy.
Let's see what she'll do.
2, 3, 7, 8.
Come on.
15. 15.
It doesn't want it.
The switch on.
Yeah, both of them are on. Alright, she's got to go in the shop real quick. I didn't stabilize the fuel and it let it sit. So I think it's got some crusty fuel in there. We can do that.
Okay. See what we got in here.
A very wet spark plug. No spark.
The janked on for a spark plug.
Okay, turns out I had a bum spark plug in there. Try number 2.
Original pull.
No.
24.
Mechanical failure. 2 pulls.
24.
Gotta warm her up. Okay, so our first performance benchmark will be a metric commonly used in drag racing, the 60-foot test. 1, 2, 3, 4. That line.
Yeah, that's exactly what we said.
This is what happened last year.
Yeah. Up first, the stock Coleman.
Alright, do it. 3, 2, 1.
We got 376.
376, alright.
Well, she feels stock. 376.
It sounds about right.
It sounds about right. I mean, I was full throttling it the whole time, but these just don't have the bite that those do.
No, it's not quite the same.
Alright, let's go up one level. 299.
Oh, dude.
299.
0.8 of a second.
Wow. I mean, you could see it. He was flying past. 299.
Pretty good.
0.8 of a
And
second.
I went a little off track. I found them up.
All right. I'm scared. I wonder what that one's gonna do now.
Dude, I'm excited.
That was a
Let's
good. This thing launches pretty hard, actually. I think the flipped belt helps it.
see. Maybe.
One level up. All right, we got our most powerful unit and highest performance bike lining up at the start. Mama's Boy. There we go. All right. All right. Let's go. What is that?
That was a 254.
254! Half a second shaved off!
You jumped a little bit, but I'll give it to you with a 254.
Let's go,
Half
baby.
a second.
Let's go.
Very nice.
That's pretty sweet.
What's up next?
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Alright. Alright, so these two are Mega Motos and this one is a Coleman. They're based off the same design, but they decided to change some weird things. The brake disc on this is about 2 inches bigger. So we're going to perform a comprehensive stopping distance test to see which has higher stopping power. 3, 2, 1.
All right, up next, a 3-wide drag race. Now, the drag strip has experienced some inclement weather conditions, but that's fine. We're still gonna send.
All right. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
One more, okay.
He lost the brake.
Okay.
Sideways the whole time.
Okay, we'll try one more. Okay, you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
Very nice. Well, the drag race was actually very interesting.
Yes, it was.
It's about what we expected.
I mean, we knew what the order would be, but just seeing where the middle tier bike pulls on, or well, where the high tier pulls on the middle tier, that was just really interesting.
Yeah, especially when we had no traction, no traction, no traction. As soon as it hooked, then I started to catch up to him.
Yeah, as soon as it got a little bit of traction out of the ice, it was. Our final challenge. We have a 10,000-pound towing rope.
And keys to a 92 Ford Ranger.
Let's see what happens.
You think any of them will do it?
Yeah,
I think they'll certainly try.
I think your stock one will do it right off the rip.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right.
Jesus Christ.
So here are our results. As you can see, we have a system with third place, second place, first place. Lowest score wins. All right. So on the cold start test, it was a tie. Callum and I both started up. Second pole.
I'd like to say that if I had not turned on the choke, it would have started first pole.
Well, all that matters is he's the loser with 28 pulls.
No, there's not 28 pulls. The spark plug was fouled. Once I replaced the spark plug,
Nobody else had
it
a
was
foul
2
spark.
pulls.
Yeah, no one else had a foul spark.
Because they're not making as much horsepower as I am.
Regardless.
Right?
Tie, third place.
2 pulls for me.
60 foot.
did not lose
Our
that.
first performance test, the 60-foot drag race. I was third place.
No surprise.
No surprise. Second place, first place. Very straightforward. With the braking test, once again, Callum and I were tied for first place.
We each won a round.
We each went around, and Owen third place with his very worn brakes. With
air in them.
With air in them. The drag race was also just as standard as the 60-foot test, 3, 2, 1, and to our surprise, every unit was able to tow the Ford Ranger, so we all win. So this is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 points for the Coleman B200.
That's 8 points for me, ladies and gentlemen.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
That's 7 points.
7
for me,
points
ladies and
for
gentlemen.
him. So far, he's winning. And 3, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 points.
How in the hell did
So
I get
thank
the same
you,
score?
ladies and gentlemen. We have
that
discovered
doesn't make any sense.
that you do not need
When
to
I
break
whooped
the
all
entire
of your
bank
asses.
account. You just
Well,
need
that
a
doesn't make
few
any sense.
tasteful mods
That doesn't
to make the
any
best
sense.
mini
Doesn't
bike
make any
possible.
sense. My mini bike was still
Don't
got this
spend all
square.
that money. It's
No,
useless.
no,
It's goodbye.
No.
Good enough for me.
What the fuck is he doing? He's so dumb. He's a stupid person.